Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy a bundle on Vinted. To begin, open Vinted in your web browser. This is the marketplace where you can buy and sell clothes, shoes, and accessories. Once the site has loaded, you'll be ready to start building your bundle. A bundle lets you purchase more than one item from the same seller in a single order, which can make shopping more convenient and may also help with combined shipping or seller discounts, depending on what's available. Next, click on a sample item to open its listing page. This takes you into the product details, where you can look at the item more closely before adding it to your bundle. It's always a good idea to quickly review the listing so you know you're selecting the correct item. Once you're on the item page, click on Create Bundle. This tells Vinted that you want to group this item together with other items from the same seller instead of buying it on its own. If you're planning to purchase multiple pieces, this is the key option that starts that process. After that, click on the sample item again to add it. At this stage, Vinted is showing you the seller's available items so you can choose what you want included in your bundle. Select the item you want, and if needed, make sure it appears as part of the bundle before moving on. This is useful because it lets you confirm that the right product has been added. When your selected items are included, click on Review Bundle. This opens the bundle summary where you can check everything before purchase. Take a moment here to confirm that the items in the bundle are the ones you want. This is also where you can make sure the total looks right before continuing. Finally, click Buy to purchase the bundle, or follow the on-screen checkout process if additional prompts appear. Vinted may guide you through delivery selection, payment details, and final confirmation. Just continue through each screen carefully until the order is placed, and that's it. Buying a bundle on Vinted is a simple way to purchase multiple items from one seller in a single transaction. As a final tip, always review the bundle one last time before paying, so you can avoid mistakes and make sure everything looks correct. Once you complete checkout, your bundle order will be submitted successfully.